In this video, I'll show you the 2 fuse box locations on your GMC Terrain. Okay, so the first one is inside the cabin. You're gonna go not over here. Most people will think it's over here because most cars, this is where the fuse box is located, but you'll go on the passenger side footwell. And right over here, you're gonna find a small cutout door. Put your fingers under, pull this door, and the fuse box is right there. And the good news is you also get a fuse diagram right over here, so you can look at it this way and find which fuse is which. So you have all the names with a number, and here you have all the fuse with a number. Very cool, very easy to have access to this fuse box. To put back this panel, put the top first, and then, okay, perfect, clip it back. Now let's go to the second fuse box. It's under the hood, so you have to pop the hood at this moment. So the second fuse box is right over here on the right side. You get a box with the sign that it has a fuse box inside. Simply lift this cover. You may need to undo these clips by pinching here and pinching here. And here we go. You get your other fuse box and also another diagram to help you out. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.